Paul, welcome. Thanks for joining us today. Could you tell us a bit about Budgeting Solutions' experience in a manufacturing sector with regards to planning analytics?
Certainly, Sam. I think the best example for me recently would be UK arm of a Japanese print business, where they had a legacy planning application and we moved that to planning analytics. So their business is very automated, it's highly digital, they have a lot of expensive equipment to manufacture the products, and they have a huge digital transformation program, and the finance executive were really tasked with applying digital transformation into finance.
So what was the process that they went through to get to this kind of planning analytics view?
Well, they had a traditional budgeting process really, where once a year cost centre managers would go into the system and put in their budget requests for the year, and they'd be accepted and reviewed. And they had a half-yearly review, but what we've been able to do is to move to a monthly rolling forecast process where each month the cost centre manager goes in, they see their actual results, it's all on a workspace dashboard, so they have a chart, some graphs, they can see visually how the numbers are flowing, and also they can drill into the actual transactions, so to understand absolutely where their costs are being spent and what they need to either accrue or plan for the coming months. And of course what this then leads on to is better allocations of costs. Because with a very fixed overhead base, product profitability is very much about managing cost. And so with their Six Sigma improvement process, the new system enables them to really drill into that granularity and manage the cost detail well and understand product profitability much better.
I mean, it's a huge increase in visibility that you've given this manufacturing firm. What are some of the results and some of the value points that's driven in the company?
Well, one of the areas, highly interesting, was around the CapEx process. So again, the equipment they buy is quite expensive, has long life cycles, and they need to be very accurate about the purchase point because it massively impacts cash flow. So being able to collect much more detailed information about machine usability and performance and align that to the CapEx process, they can absolutely understand when the kit needs to be bought, and so huge savings on cash flow for them.
So Paul, what was the user interface for this manufacturing firm?
So with the modern cloud-based solution from Planning Analytics, we have Workspace and we have an Excel add-in, but the Workspace really gives the users the ability to self-serve, something that's essential these days, so rather than just receive formatted reports, they can go in and do their own analysis on the numbers.
Okay, so it allows them to be very more agile, I guess, because they can work at a pace and speed that's appropriate for them without relying on other people.
Absolutely, and rather than having to go back to finance and ask questions, the budget holders themselves can answer their own questions, make their own decisions.
Great. It's been really useful. Thank you for giving the use case and example around manufacturing for IBM Planning Analytics, so thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.